Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa Tower PH TV. So we're going to do another unboxing and review of this YOLO Part Optimus Prime, yung BMK series naman yan. So before that, intro muna tayo.
Let's get started.
So unboxing of this YOLO Part BMK series 16 CM model kit na Optimus Prime. So as you know, Tower PH dito nagko-collect tayo ng mga Optimus Prime Transformers, not just yung mga transformable, no, pati yung mga figures. So surprisingly, this new release ng BMK series, parang nauso naman yata or ginagawa ni YOLO Park yung repackaging. So sa AMK series, sa previous video natin, no, usually they use this box, tapos meron silang bagong labas na AMK series na yung newer version ng box. And this time with the BMK series, not sure lang, hindi ko na try or hindi ko pa nakita na ng BMK series na naka-box din, but this new packaging, parang yun nga, ganito na siya. So you have to look on the seal. This is YOLO Park. Details niya nasa likod. So YOLO Park BMKG10PB Optimus Prime. So there are other different characters. For more info, you just have to scan both, I think Mandarin yata to, and English, and not suitable for children 3 years old and below. So as they claim, no glue required, no painting required, no tools required. As you can see, naka-expose na yung yung character or yung toy, and i-assemble mo na lang siya. So these are the other characters. They have Bumblebee, Megatron, and Starscream. Nakuha natin siya sa Toys R Us. And the way to open it, which is sayang, you just have to rip the back up, as you can see. So wala na tayong box to display. It has this manual. There are two manuals, paper manuals. Yun, so paper, yung previous yata they parang cardboard, and this one's the Optimus Prime. Simple set, 5 steps to build. And this one is bigger than sa AMK series, no? And we have to pull, stop, and ang kanyang label. Then just remove all the pieces from the plastic packaging. So nakakabit na yung yung upper body tsaka yung waist or torso. So you just have to connect the legs and the head. Then meron din siyang blaster. So yeah. So to build, you just have to get all the parts set up. Actually 5 steps nga lang. So nakabuild na yung upper body niya and yung torso. Be twisted, and just put in the head first. And so you just have to put some pores. Then you put in the arms. Hanggang may marinig kayo na mag-snap. Other arm. The foot, straightforward lang. You just insert, and the other foot. Then you can just put in the blaster. So pansin ko lang medyo sobrang laki nung kanyang foot, and yeah, it's quite a tall na toy, and let's see yung mga features niya and yung articulation. So yun guys, this is the build product, and let's measure yung kanyang height. Yep, a little more than 6 inches or yung 16 cm na claim nila. So this is the BMK model, and katabi nung AMK series, which is smaller, but in terms of quality, same plastic yung ginamit niya, and in terms of details, almost the same except for the wiper tsaka yung mga dots. Also, magkaiba yung pattern niya when it comes sa, I think, gas tank to, and dun sa put. And medyo ano lang, no, when it comes in comparison naman sa articulation, medyo mas maraming articulation siya, but let me show yung some disappointments on this one. Nakabuild na yung torso niya, it can be swiveled or twisted, but unfortunately from the leg or waist down, walang masyadong movement, so nakalock siya, no, you cannot bend the knees, and yun lang yung sa put, natitwist lang siya, so you can be able to stand it up to adjust the put, but the rest wala na. So waist down, walang masyadong movement. Of course, since naka ano lang siya, you can twist sa main knee part, but yun nga, you cannot bend it. Yung sa head, can tilt a little up, down. Okay, of course, you can twist left to right, medyo matigal siya. Sa arm, yan, 360 degrees, you can rotate. You can, ano rin, mga 90 degrees. Sa elbow, yan, more than 45 degrees. But, hanggang doon lang siya. As for the arm, medyo hindi rin siya natitwist. Matigas siya. So, this more on a figure talaga for display lang. The blaster looks cool, but yung plastic niya in color, let's try to put some more light. Yan, medyo hindi siya talaga yung matingkad na red, no? Medyo may pagka-dull, but over time, I think mas ano pa siya, mas medyo magiging dull. But the silver parts and yung white grayish part, yung yellow part, medyo maganda. And set compared to the AMK series, yun, mas detailed yung AMK series, surprisingly, especially dun sa part yan ng mid chest, no? Magkakaiba sila ng parang detail. We look closer, and mas maganda yung design, overall design, and of course yung articulation. But again, this will be just for display, but if you want to play with it, mas maraming articulation nga yung AMK series. So that's it for our unboxing and review of this YOLO Park BMK series Optimus Prime. So as said, since iba yung packaging niya, wala na yung box natin or yung lalagyan niya, so this will be another display standee, and yun. So your thoughts on this toy, action figure, and please share below sa mga ating comment section if this looks cool, if this is okay for us na nagko-collect ng Transformers Optimus Prime, especially sa mga Generation 1. This is a good add-on piece sa iyong display ngayon. So with that, I would like to give a big shout out sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, and si BF Geb sa Hampas Lupang Burgess, yung channels nila. Please support their channel, guys. And dyan, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, please subscribe to Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investments. So hanggang dito lang, guys. I hope you can also join me sa ating pa mga susunod na videos. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. See you again, guys.